In this video, I will share with you how to deposit money in Weltrade. So friends, go to Google search for this platform, Weltrade. Click the first result here. As you can see here, you will see this page, log in your accounts. After that, go to deposit section, click on deposit. You can check here this option for deposit. And then you can deposit with Binance Pay, create fast pay, choose MasterCard if you want to deposit through your MasterCard, choose your amount you want to deposit, for example 100, choose your currency, choose your spinners, write your credit on MasterCard from here, write your date of birthday, you can check here. After that, when you write your birthday, choose your continue, and then just await. Write your confirmed deposit, write your credit card details from here, and then click pay. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this.